Hello, my name is Brad Welkus, and we're going to discuss another video in the series for Schedule My PC. In this fifth video, we're going to discuss how to navigate Schedule My PC. That's including going through the options and administration tabs, reviewing all the ribbon items, looking at the schedule calendar view, and the list view. So let's log on to Schedule My PC and go through navigation. I'm opening up the program, and as a reminder, we have our technical support at networkpipeline.com if you need to contact us, and you can go to the website for further information, our blog, and purchasing. So let's log in as admin. Under admin, you can see that we have the two tabs that I briefly mentioned, options and administration. Let's look at administration briefly because we cover this in another video on security. But here's where I can change my password. I initially set it up as admin. I can change it here. Just for illustration, I could put in my old password and create my new password. So you can do that at your convenience. I can also log in as a different user. Under a user I might have created under the users group. I could be a user in a particular group, and I can have certain access rights. So I can limit how Schedule My PC is utilized by your employees, for example, or family members. Back to options, you can see we're in the running mode, or I can pause all my content. When I say pause my content, it's the content I create that you'll find under the manage schedule. So let's keep that running. These two tabs or two ribbon buttons are related. The quick tasks let me look at the different shortcuts that I built. So maybe one of my shortcuts is computer management. If I open that up, this is how I call that particular program to open up. Now you don't have to know this, but as a computer user, you may have programs you like to use frequently, and these are the way you can create those shortcuts. So these 9 choices I have, I call them quick tasks, are found under Run Quick Tasks tabs. So if I wanted to use computer management, I can double click on that, and there it is. So this gives me the ability to quickly open up programs that I use frequently. So that's there for your convenience. Manage categories. We're going to skip this one for the moment. Manage categories are the different categories that we create to organize all our websites, our folders, our files, and the programs that we like to run. And these categories are important because it helps us organize our schedule and print our schedule if we choose to. So you can simply insert a new category, and the new category can be whatever name you want, and you can associate a color with it. So you can pick among the color palette to pick a color associated with it so that it shows up that way on my schedule. We'll close this. We talked about Schedule My PC start options in the past. If you want to purchase the product, this links us to the website. We talked about registration. Let me close this for the moment. Schedule My PC version. If you ever had any trouble and you had a version down the road that you needed help with, we're at version 3.1.0.1. So you can note that in your email to us, and that would help us identify what the problem might be. We have the step-by-step help, which basically are these videos. So you can click on this and that'll take you to the video page and pick the video you need help with. You can sign up for the newsletter, read our blog, or you can send a program down to the system tray. That's down in the bottom, so you'll see the round globe indicating that that Schedule My PC is minimized. And then you can open it from there. And finally, you can exit the program. So let's go back to Manage Schedule. Here is the schedule, and then we've got, we're in the calendar portion of it, and you can notice that we have the days of the week and the dates of the week. We're in the week view. There's a daily view, so if we wanted to go to 22nd. You can see 22nd. We have these activities planned for today to open up on our PC. We can go to the week view, and we can see Monday through Friday, which is your work week, or full week, which is Sunday through Saturday. We also see the months, the calendar here, so we can open that up in different sizes or unpin it and give us more space to work with, where we can use the tab to pull out the months if we need to and repin it if we desire. We do have the month view, and the month view shows us a very busy calendar, since we have a lot of content to open up on our PC and really take full advantage of the PC. So this way, if we wanted to look at some of the items we have going on, we can do that. Alright, we also have, let's go back to the week view. It's one of my preferred views. I'll go full week. Our time scale was set to 5 minutes, you notice. So every 5 minutes, so you'll have 12 times during the hour to set something up. It doesn't have to be on the 5 minutes. It could be at 9:56 or 9:57. You can do it 1 minute increments if you choose to. Our view is just limited to 5 minutes as our minimal view. You go to 10, 15, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 4 hours. I tend to use the 15-minute interval because that gives me enough view of the day and I can see what's going on. You can see I just passed my mouse over a item and it tells me ABC TV will open up using that website as an entertainment category, and it happens daily. Now some items, like the Wall Street Journal, is daily and repeating. So we can change that anytime we want. Let's just open up ABC TV, show you what it looks like. If I double click, I can open up just this occurrence on Tuesday the 22nd, or I can open all of them. If I wanted to adjust these to a time other than 8 o'clock, maybe 8:01, maybe 6 o'clock, whatever I'd like to do, and that's how I created that particular scheduled content. If I'm happy with it, I can just leave it alone and hit OK, and there it is once again. So we showed you also how to delete, how to disable and hide the content. This is our example content for you to view. Let's go to the list type of view. And in the list view, you can see all of the items we created on the managed schedule calendar. Now this is a little busy, so we can sort by description. We can sort by category. We can also group by category by taking a column and just pulling it up here. And now we can see that by the financial category, I've got 3 items, for example. Here's the food category. So I've broken it down. Now I could do a print preview, and that's my schedule. That's what it looks like. I can go to the next page and you can see this and use this as a guide for if you wanted to just see what you have planned and how you've organized your PC to automatically start all the different programs, which are websites potentially. They could be, like here is an example of a file opening. So you can see how that works. And here's one for folders, how the folders can be opened up. We'll close that. And you can also filter. Maybe I just want to see something regarding, let's pick something up, MSNBC. So clearly I could have a lot of items in my schedule, and I might find this advantageous just to group, just to identify them. So once I can work with the individual items I have as content and I'm finished, then I can go ahead and clear my filter and they're all back again. Now category might be back in place here. I can move status at the end, for example. Actually, I have to put it here, and I can move recurrence there. That's the best way to do that. Little tip. So if I had something under the status that was disabled for example, I disable this item, you'll see I have a disabled status for that one. That means it will not run. And further, I can go ahead and change it to hide it, as we mentioned in a previous video. This will be hidden from the schedule, but not the list, so you know. Okay, so let's go back in here and re-enable that one. Okay, and basically that is the navigation. So it's relatively easy to use. You have a lot of options for yourself, and hope you enjoy the program. Thank you very much.